Raghu went to the pet shop and bought a parrot and a cage. He loved pets, so he happily brought home the parrot. The first day, he painted the cage. "Now it looks better," he said. The second day, he decorated the cage. "Beautiful," he commented. The third day, he put a small light inside. "Great," he rejoiced. The next day, he found the parrot dead inside the cage. Why? What happened? He did not feed the parrot. He was taking care of the cage, not the parrot. Our body is just a cage. There is a soul inside our body like a parrot. The body will die and be buried, but our soul will never die. We keep caring for our body by buying nice clothes for it and eating 3 or 4 or more times a day. Do we feed our soul? God's word is a food for the soul. The more of God's word we take, the healthier will be our soul and fit to meet God after our death.